Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect TradingView to Topstep. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for TradingView and then open the first link and then press on brokers. Make sure you are logged in to your account first and then press on anyone and press on learn more and then press on trade. Now all you need to do is press on trade here. It will open several brokers. You can press on show all brokers and then you search for TradingView, which is basically Topstep, and then you press on it and then you need to input your username and password and then press on connect, and that's it. Also you can choose to use your live account in TradingView or demo account, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.